This video will show how 4-H members will register for a 4-H event in Zsuite. So I, the 4-H member, will log into my 4-H account at 4h.zsuite.org. Here I see all of the members of my household. To register for an event, I will click on the Events tab. And here, a number of events will be shown. Some times of the year, there will be multiple pages of events. And so I can either scroll through page by page, or I can search if I know the name of my event, or maybe even the topic of my event. Then I can do a search there. But in this case, I want to register for this pickleball camp. So here we see a brief description of the event, contact information. Sometimes there will be information that can be downloaded, and if so, click on this link to download whatever information is available. That could be rules, it could be information, more information about the particular event. So let's go ahead and register by clicking Register Now. And here it will show all of the members of the family who are eligible to register for this event. One thing to point out is that only members who are in active status can register for events. Individuals who are not active may not register for events. So again, we're going to register, and we're going to select the individual who wishes to register. We are going to complete the registration form, and here I can either submit or I can save and register another member. So if Chris is the only member of the family who is registering, I can go ahead and submit his registration. However, if we have another member of the family, we can click Save and we can go back and register another member. It's important to note that Chris's registration at this point has not been submitted, meaning a spot is not being held for Chris. Okay, until we actually submit Chris's registration, it is not, a spot is not being held. So let's go ahead and register another member of the family. And in this case, let's go ahead and submit registration. And here it gives us a warning to make sure that we are sure, because once we submit, we cannot edit our registration. And so we're going to go ahead and check out, and it takes us to the payment page. It shows us the registration amount for each individual, total amount, and we can either submit payment with credit card, or we can submit and pay later in person at our local county office. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and submit and pay later. And now my registration is pending payment, meaning a spot is being held for these individuals, but it is not confirmed until payment is received. That is it. Hope this is helpful.